Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Flex review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called Flex. So this is the Flex review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then they're saying this is the demo video, but if you open this link nothing happens. So the demo video is not out yet. Probably it will be updated by tomorrow, I guess. Okay, this is launching on 19th of March 2023. It will help you to lose some more money. The funnel looks like this here. So if you come on the JV page, you can see the funnel, and these are the products. Okay, so we'll talk about everything starting with the sales page. It says the A.I shortcut. Okay, so first of all, they think you're a fool, which you are, because if you're going to use a short form of any word, for example, if you're trying to write artificial intelligence, then it needs to be abbreviated as A.I. Where is the dot after I here? They just think you're a fool, you don't notice anything, and they just walk away with everything, and they do walk away with everything because you don't notice anything, you know nothing. One mistake, forgiven. Second mistake, negligence. Third mistake, you are a repeated offender and you think people are fool. Anyways, let's get done with this. I'm least interested in doing these reviews nowadays, but still, because if I don't do it, nobody else will. Okay, that's why I'm coming and trying to motivate myself again and again to finish these reviews, and that's why you see now I don't talk a lot. Talk a lot means I don't make my videos more than half an hour long. I try to keep them short, and so that I don't have to waste my time. These things are, you know, below my so much level. I can't even tell you. It says here, voice activated open AI robot exploits TikTok TM loophole for free buyer traffic in 60 seconds, results in easy $1,000 paydays for us on autopilot. Simple logic here. If they are making $1,000 with this or with anything else in the world, why will they sell that system to you in $17 only? My review is done. That's it. If you are a human like me, if you have the brain intact in your head at the top, your puzzle is solved. All the questions are answered here. If some system is making them $1,000, are you out of your mind? Will somebody give you that system in $17? What do you eat in your breakfast, dinner, lunch? Why do you believe on this shit? Why do you believe on this nonsense that if something is making somebody $1,000, that system will be sold to you in only 17? But is it logical? And then they will ask you to pay 47 for this, for 147, 290, for what? AI creates TikToks for you. Just say simple voice command is truly magical, 100% beginner friendly, no video editing and no camera, works on your device, get 100% free traffic, works out of the box, no setup needed, click and go. Click. I clicked. Where do I go now? I clicked. Where do I go? Click and go. It results or get a 200% refund, 365-day money back guarantee, which is illegal to promise. Even banking or financial institution, the max they can offer is 6 months. You can claim your money back from your credit card for 6 months. 365 days, just illegal to promise. Okay. So this launch is coming from the repeated scammers, Billy Darr and his team. You can see these faces, recognize the faces, recognize the names. Do not buy anything from these people. I don't know for how long I'll be doing this, because I have other systems which makes money for me on autopilot. For example, you see this make money on autopilot here. This thing and this system which you see at the bottom, the graph and everything, this makes me money on autopilot. I don't have to come and make these YouTube videos. I'm doing it as long as I'm doing it. Okay, it's a charity. Consider it as a charity work. So this system is supposed to make you, I guess, some TikTok short videos using some chat GPT voiceover, or who the fuck cares. Okay, all the system will make you nothing, because if any of these things were supposed to make you money, then the second thing will not be needed. For example, you go to the profile here and then you take a look how many products they have launched so far in this account, 23 so far. So imagine they have 2 stars out of 5, and low quality products. They keep selling you all these things one after another, and everything here promises you to make money online. Okay, if one thing was supposed to make money, second thing will not be required. If their last product was supposed to make money, next one will not be required. I hope you get some common sense in your brain. It's no rocket science, it's logic, common sense, that's it. Okay, so these people come and sell you these things over and over again because this is the job they have in their hands. This is the business they have. They have to sell something to these many people. You see 180,000 sales. These are not just sales, they are also email addresses of such, of those many people. Okay, so if somebody has got, let's say, 200,000 email addresses into their list, they have to sell them something, and in order to keep selling them, they have to come back with some software, some training program, which has got nothing to do with making money, nothing to do with getting traffic. Okay, how do you get traffic? You either you go and run paid ads and you get traffic clicks, okay, or you come on YouTube, make YouTube videos and get some free traffic. What do you think? Why other people are giving you some bonuses in your bomb? Why other people are coming on YouTube? Why don't they just go and buy some fucking flex and just make so much money and don't come on YouTube? Why do they come and waste their time? Why do they waste their time in creating a fucking bonus page so that they can put those bonuses in your ass? And you take them in your ass and you give them the real money, and that's how you lose your money. Okay, how do we make money? We make money on YouTube. We make money will not, with knowledge. Okay, this flex will not make you money, right? I'm losing interest in what I'm doing, as in this is so below my level, and I literally don't want to waste my time anymore on this shit. But let's see how long can I carry on making these videos. I think the time is coming near where I might have to take a break for some weeks or a few months, or I might have to leave it and focus on making money in the back end. So somebody who doesn't come on YouTube doesn't mean he's not making money. Okay, if I stop coming on YouTube, let's say in the future, that doesn't mean that I will not be making money online. I had been making money online since 2015, and I came on YouTube only in 2021. So why will this work for me? It will not. Why is this different to everything? Come on, guys, let's not waste my time here. Okay, so are we done? Yes, we are done. The only reason I'm still coming on YouTube to make these reviews, to cut the short, to cut the bullshit. Okay, flex, these things will come and go, and they have to come and sell you something because they have to do business. Okay, so they have to find people who are naive, greedy, lazy, and they don't want to work. For example, somebody has got $17 but they don't have skills and they don't want to work, so they will believe that there's a software out there in $17 they can buy and they'll start making money. Okay, those people are actually mentally paralyzed. They cannot think straight because one simple question. Okay, we have to talk about active and passive. If somebody is telling you active, think about it in a passive way. Think about it in a different direction. Okay, so let's say you are thinking right now, you think that you will buy something in $17 and then you'll start making money. So instead of thinking this, you should think that, am I the only person who's got $17? Other people in the world, they can't afford $17. Why don't they just go and start making money, or buy the software in $70 and make money? You have to be critical, man. You have to think straight. I don't know what's in your head. You breathe from your nose, you eat from your mouth, you shit from your asshole. It's the same process of every human. Then why your brain does not work the same way like mine? Why do you believe on such nonsense here? Are you the only person with $17 in your pocket? All right, so these people will come and go. They will not leave you alone. Okay, they will make you to pay this much, then this, and keep paying them. And none of this will work. It might just go and create some 20 seconds, 30 seconds videos which you're supposed to upload on TikTok, and that is how theoretically you're supposed to make money using TikTok videos or free traffic. If you believe on such things, you may go and buy. You have been losing all the money all your life. Maybe one more time. I'm not here to save you. It's not my job. I don't have any contract with some Jesus or some other God God has not sent me here to clean up your mess. I'm doing it as long as I'm doing it, because I don't do it, then nobody else will. Everybody else will put some bonuses in your bum, and you will be happy to take those bonuses in your bum and give them the real money and make your fake money in your dreams. And later on tomorrow morning when you wake up, you realize that you are in minus $50. You don't make money by buying this thingy from Warrior Plus, okay? And the reason I make these videos still, so that I can tell you that there are ways, real ways, in which you might have to work to make real money. I make real money. What do you think? I don't make money? Why am I still making all these videos? I'm making money, that's why. So let's talk about some sensible things right now. Go below my video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now this first link says here, make money on autopilot with forex trading. What is forex trading? Forex trading is currency trading, where you buy currency and you sell currency. Buy currency at low price, sell when the price goes up, right? Now you do not have to do any of this manually. I will be going ahead and setting this virtual machine, setting up the graph, and then we will be using a software, and that software will be doing the trading on our behalf, okay? So you click on the first link here, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify your email. Once you verify your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there to understand what this thing is all about, because this will make you profits on autopilot. It's a profit sharing basis method. You will be keeping 70% profits every week, and I will be keeping 30%. You want to know more details, enter your information here, and then check all those 2 videos which I'm talking about. And then you can contact me on Skype if you have any questions or you want to start with this, right? So this will be making money for everyone on autopilot. Second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. It will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within a month, so that you can make money without even selling anything. For example, when you're watching my YouTube video, in this video you have seen some ads. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? So this Traffic Jarvis will also help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get in 12 months. But this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get them in 2 weeks only, okay? So again, flex, thumbs down, scammers, don't buy, waste of money, will not help you in making money or getting any traffic, okay? And this thing you called autopilot forex trading, check out the information, watch those 2 videos. This thing will give you 70% profits without doing anything. You want to work manually on YouTube like me, then go for Traffic Jarvis. In the end, subscribe, like, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kish tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kish tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kish tracking training. And this Kish tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.